remodeling a house. My parents bought this home back in January of 2020 as an investment property.
It's a ranch style home built in the 1960s.
It was a well-maintained house but had very little updates throughout the years, so it is in desperate need of a refresh. So my parents rented it out for a year but have now decided to transition it to a short-term rental house. So for it to be a successful short-term rental, this house needs some character and to be modernized. And that's where we come in. We are going to be renovating it for them on an extreme budget. So stick around to the end of the video to find out what our budget is and how we plan on achieving it. Also be sure to subscribe and be sure to turn on that notification bell down below because you are not going to want to miss this remodel. So without further ado, let's go see the inside of this house. So this is the entry from the living room into the kitchen. The hallway goes down there with the bedrooms, bathroom, and the laundry room. So we are hoping to be able to open this wall up and just to kind of open the flow so it's not so crowded and cramped. Behind this wall, we were hoping that it was brick, but unfortunately it's just block, where apparently there was an old chimney for a furnace or something. So we're hoping to be able to just take this wall out and remove those blocks because there's no reason for them to be there anymore. So this is going to go, and hopefully we can open up this wall a little bit, just kind of make it a little more spacious. So this is the little kitchen. It has very old, dated, disgusting countertops. But I don't know if I have room in my budget to redo the countertops. I would love to be able to do them again, but unfortunately this corner would be a specialty piece and they just don't make that in the pre-made countertop. So I don't know if that's something that we're going to be able to redo or not. We're probably going to end up like painting it or something, unfortunately. So hopefully new faucet. So these shelves have got to go. This thing has to go. I'm hoping to put a little pendant light hanging down. I think would be super cute. So for the cabinets, we are going to change out the hardware and add some trim around the edges, paint them a nice white, and hopefully really update them for the cheap. That's the plan. We are probably going to do some reconfiguring of the kitchen, probably maybe moving the refrigerator over here, and then this is like an old hot water heater or something. I'm not sure. Is that what this is?
I believe so, yes.
So hopefully this can be gone out of here. When my parents first bought the house, there was this lovely, lovely wallpaper on the wall here in the kitchen. So my parents first bought this house. This was the wallpaper on the wall in the kitchen with this floor.
So this part of the wall right here, we're going to take these windows out. We're going to knock this out. There's a little utility room out there. We're going to make like a little breakfast nook or something. So we're going to knock this out and have a nice walkway going out into the little add-on.
Yeah, so this will take these windows out, make this a doorway to go out into this little room. It's not insulated, so we're going to have to insulate it and put in new windows because they're just storm windows. So moving on to the rest of the house. This is the laundry room. It's a fairly nice size. There's not much room for storage. There's this very, very large water heater on the wall and these ugly pipes. So anyways, hopefully we can figure out something to cover that wall up because I think that it's just really ugly. And then it's got this little linen closet. So this is the little back door. It goes into the little room out here. So this would be our hopeful dining room. We're going to take out this wall and these windows. These windows are going to have to be replaced as they're just storm windows. And this, I guess this is just plywood on the wall, so we'll take this down, insulate it, and put new wall up. It's a concrete floor, so we should be able to just put a flooring down over it. Fairly easy. And then what I'm thinking is putting a wall right here, wall this in so that we can have a nice mudroom entry going into the pantry. And then this will be the dining room that you can only entry from the kitchen. So this will be added to like a little room into the house, give a little more square footage, usable square footage. So this would be nice. We have a little entry, little bench, and something nice door. This is just a storm door here, so that's gotta go. And this is looking into the back here. So this is a 3-bedroom home and a 1-bathroom. So it's a smaller house, but it's comfortable. This is a little linen closet there in the hallway. Now we're entering the bathroom. It's a pretty small bathroom, and so there's this little toilet, little nook. So it has this really weird thing going on here. I don't know what it is, but I don't like it.
Overhead.
I'm hoping it can come out. So all these walls are, what are these? Like tile, faux tile board. Never understood. So obviously this has got to go. Vanity will be painted. This might be painted, new faucet, beautiful light fixture. Take all this paneling off and sheetrock it or something. It has a nice shower. This is fairly new. Nice little walk-in shower. Moving on to the next bedroom. Let's go. This is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. Just a small little off-centered window. And there's not much to say in here. Old light fixture, carpet. There does look to seem to be like there is hardwood under this carpet, so we're going to rip all this old nasty carpet up and hopefully have a nice hardwood floor that we can sand and down and have a really pretty wood floor. So that's the plan for that. So little closet here. Moving on to the next bedroom. This one's a little bit larger. It has an updated light fixture with fan. It's got, I guess, 2 windows here. It's a nice sized room. One little closet here with a nice pink closet. So the former tenants left this dresser. So be on the lookout for a future furniture flip. Moving on to the last and final bedroom. This one, it seems a little bit smaller, more still simple. It doesn't have the jet out of the wall like the other one. It's just a flat wall here. Nothing much to say about this. We'll paint it and redo the floor. And so as you saw, the house is super dull and boring, so my #1 goal of this remodel is to add some character to this house. The plan is to go with a cottage theme, and I have lovingly named this house the Gray Cottage.
So let's talk budget.
So we need to refinish all of the wood floors that are under the carpet and refloor the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. Add new light fixtures throughout, install new countertops in the kitchen, painting the cabinets, put some new ceiling throughout the house, and remove the unused block chimney in the wall and open that wall up and transform the enclosed back porch into a dining room.
And I'd love to do a little landscaping. All on a budget of $5,000.
It's not gonna happen.
It's gonna happen. So how will we do it? First off, we will be doing all of the work ourselves. We'll be shopping at thrift stores and Facebook Marketplace to try to get things secondhand and cheap. And most importantly, we will try to be creative and use inexpensive things to get a high-end look.
We are very excited to start this project and bring you guys along on this adventure.
So be sure to subscribe and to check back for weekly update videos and renovation. You can expect to see a video of the first week of renovations this Wednesday. So we'll see you then.